Massive. In case you don't know, it's DJ Vibes, yo.
Okay, who is officiating it? Somebody.
3, 5.
What are you going to say before I cut my cake?
When you're down, so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Action. Alright, it's about to go down. We cut the cake straight up. 3, 2, 1.
Wait, John.
Alright, it's about to go down.
Nothing like a YANKONTENT.
Yes.
Our number 1 customer relation officer. Guest manager. Our number 1. What else?
You see how we are taking care of our you need to come and work. You need to come and work for YANKONTENT factory so you can actually, enjoy.
Yes, your first staff. Thank you very much.
YANKONTENT factory is the best place you guys can work and enjoy these privileges.
And
honestly, it's
that the
actually
cake is also a gift from
Biggie Bye.
And she's holding a cake to watch over.
It's not from me, Mo. It's not from me, Mo.
Alright guys, let's cut the cake. Let's cut the cake.
You guys check out my cartier.
Okay, that's also a gift from a staff to her.
Biggie Bye.
Let's cut the cake.
Biggie Bye. Why they say better? I'm trying.
He's an impersonator. He wants to take somebody's glory.
No, glory that glory, an insult.
Okay, let's cut the cake. Let's cut the cake, everybody.
Okay, celebrate your hands on the cake.
Exclusive DJ.
Okay, you guys, put your hands on my hand. Join the celebration. Put your hands on my hand.
They calm down, they put hand for me. I don't see.
So what are we going to spell?
Who gets that? Mama. Adam hand. Say Jesus. Say Jesus.
So we're going on OMA.
Let's go white here.
Hello guys.
Oh, it's not a cooking anniversary. It's my birthday. It's my birthday.
Hello guys.
Is it how we do Chioma or we do Oma?
Let's do Oma.
Okay, so
Right now we're going live.
alright, YKF staff, give me letter O. YKF staff, give me letter M. YKF staff, give me letter A.
Massive. In case you don't know, it's DJ Vibes.
As you can see, the legend in the front. We are moving to Roma. She's celebrating my sister, she's celebrating her birthday. I'm so happy for her because she's with me in the birthday. That's just because I'm about to try to give me my money, but I'm so good. I'm so good. Get your phone. Happy birthday, my sister.
You want the cake?
Manager, wait, did you stop? She is my sister. I'm Esau. This is not what I'm going to check up in the Bible.
Tell me the whole world you bought my cake. When did you buy it?
Why deny you?
When did you buy it?
Why deny you my glory?
Massive. In case you don't know, it's DJ Vibes, yo.